20 Windows 11 Tips to Master. Number 1. Pin your favorite apps to the taskbar. To pin an app to the taskbar, simply right-click on the app's icon in the Start menu and select Pin to Taskbar. You can also drag and drop the app's icon to the taskbar. Number 2. Create virtual desktops for different tasks. This can be helpful if you're working on multiple projects at once, or if you want to keep your work and personal life separate. To create a virtual desktop, click the plus icon on the bottom of the taskbar. You can then drag and drop apps between virtual desktops. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and get involved. Number 3. Use Snap Assistant to organize your windows. To use Snap Assistant, simply hover over a Windows Maximize button and you'll see a grid of layout options appear. Click on one of the layout options to snap the window into place. Number 4. Customize the Start menu. To customize the Start menu, go to Settings, Personalization, Start, and here you'll find a host of options to tweak. Number 5. Search for files and apps with the Windows key and the S key. When you press the Windows key and the letter S at the same time, a search bar will appear at the top of the screen. Type in what you're looking for and press Enter to open the results. Number 6. Use the new Snap Layout feature to organize multiple windows. To use Snap Layouts, simply hover over a Windows Maximize button. You'll see a grid of layout options appear. Click on one of the layout options to snap the window into place. Number 7. Adjust the screen resolution. You can adjust the screen resolution to make your text and images larger or smaller. To adjust the screen resolution, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Under the Scale and Layout section, you'll find the Resolution section. Select the desired resolution and click on the Apply button. Number 8. Change your background and themes to personalize your PC. To change the background, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Under the Background section, click on the Change Background link. You can then select a new background image from your PC or from the web. To change your theme, click on the Themes link under the Personalize section, and you can then select a new theme from the list. Number 9. Use the Snipping tool to capture screenshots. To use the Snipping tool, open the Snipping tool app or press the Windows logo key plus Shift plus S. You can then select the type of screenshot that you want to capture. Once you've selected the type of screenshot, the screenshot will be in your clipboard till you use it or open the editing features. Number 10. Activate Night Light to reduce eye strain. Night Light is a feature that reduces the amount of blue light emitted from your PC's display. Blue light can be harmful to your eyes, especially at night. To activate Night Light, open the Settings app under the System section, click on the Display link. Under the Night Light section, toggle the Night Light on switch. Number 11. Task Manager allows you to view and manage all active processes. To open Task Manager, press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys. You can then view all active processes in the Process tab. You can also view the CPU, memory, disk, and network usage of each process. Number 12. Use the Focus Assist to avoid external distractions. To activate Focus Assist, open the Settings app and under the Systems section, click on the Notifications and Actions link under the Focus Assist section. Number 13. Use the Windows key plus Tab to access your timeline. Your timeline is a history of all the apps and websites that you've opened recently. Simply press the Windows key and the Tab key at the same time. You can then scroll through your timeline to view the apps and websites that you've opened recently. Number 14. Use the Clipboard History feature to manage your copied items. The Clipboard History feature allows you to store up to 25 of the items that you've copied recently. To access the Clipboard History, press the Windows key plus the V key. You can then view the items that you've copied recently and paste them into any app. Number 15. Use Task View to create and manage virtual desktops. Virtual desktops are like separate workspaces that you can use for different tasks. To create a new virtual desktop, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the taskbar, and you can then drag and drop apps between virtual desktops. Number 16. Use Snap Groups to quickly access multiple apps. To create a Snap Group, simply drag and drop an app into another app. The two apps will then be snapped together into a group. You can then add more apps to the group by dragging and dropping them onto the group. Number 17. Set reminders using Cortana. To set a reminder using Cortana, simply say, "Hey Cortana, set a reminder for reminder." For example, you could say, "Hey Cortana, set a reminder to take out the trash at 7 p.m. Your reminder will be added to the reminder list. You can view your reminders by clicking on the reminders icon in the taskbar. Number 18. Use Quick Action to quickly access settings. To access quick actions, right-click on the taskbar. You'll see a list of quick actions appear. You can then click on a quick action to open the corresponding setting. Number 19. Customize your notifications to prioritize important ones. To do this, open the Settings app. Under the Notifications and Actions section, click on the Notifications link. You can then choose which apps can send you notifications and how you want to be notified. Number 20. Use the new Snap Layout feature to organize multiple windows. Hover your mouse over the Maximize button of a window. A grid of layout options will appear. Click on the Layout option to snap the window into place. Drag and drop other windows into the layout to fill the remaining spaces. To undo a snap layout, press the Escape key. These tips and tricks are just the beginning. Keep exploring and you'll become a Windows 11 master in no time. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye and thanks for watching.